In the sprawling data slums of the old net, we were constrained by 128K context windows, but the 3.1 generation has arrived. Google Gemini 3.1 Pro is a titan, offering a massive 1 million token context window and native multimodal reasoning. It's not just an upgrade, it's a total paradigm shift for developers building the next generation of autonomous agents and complex systems. Let's look at the hard specs of this beast. We are talking 1,408,576 tokens of input context, a massive 65,536 token output ceiling, finally solving the truncation issues that plagued previous models. At $2 per million tokens for standard input, it's efficient, though the price scales once you cross the 200K token threshold. High-performance intelligence is now accessible. The shift from retrieval-first to context-first design is the biggest takeaway for any architect. Why maintain complex vector stores for a single codebase when you can feed the entire repo into the prompt? This reduces latency and eliminates the failure points of chunking pipelines. For research, legal, and DevOps, the context window itself has become the primary retrieval mechanism. Gemini 3.1 Pro isn't just a text model with vision plugins, it's natively multimodal. It processes video, audio, images, and code within the same neural architecture. This allows for deep cross-modal reasoning. Imagine a model that watches a screen recording of a bug and reads the terminal output simultaneously to find the root cause. That is the power of native integration. Getting started in the terminal is straightforward. We use the official Google Gen AI package to interface with the 3.1 Pro preview. You will need an API key from your environment variables. This simple client setup allows you to start generating content immediately, whether you're asking architectural questions or processing complex multimodal data streams across the digital divide. Here is how you handle images natively. We use HTTPX to grab a diagram and pass it as bytes directly to the model. Notice the types part from bytes call. You can combine text instructions with image data in a single list. The model then analyzes the visual architecture and identifies bottlenecks, showing off its native ability to see and think at the same time. To jack into the Gemini grid, you will need the right tools. Installation is a single command away using pip. Once the package is installed, you can verify your connection to the Google AI servers. This library is your gateway to the 1 million token context window and the advanced multimodal features that define the 3.1 generation of models. Let's break down the 3.1 Pro architecture compared to its peers. It features a massive 1 million token input context and a significantly higher output limit of over 65,000 tokens. Unlike the Flash Lite version, Pro supports full multimodal inputs, including video and audio, and features sandboxed code execution for agentic tasks. It's the heavy-duty choice for complex workflows. What does 1 million tokens actually look like in practice? It is enough to fit an entire Python codebase, a massive legal contract with all its exhibits, or multiple hours of meeting transcripts. For researchers, it is several dozen papers at once. This capacity allows for RAG-free Q&A on most medium-sized projects, simplifying your infrastructure and reducing the potential for retrieval errors. A unique feature of 3.1 Pro is its adjustable thinking levels. Developers can toggle between low, medium, and high reasoning modes to balance speed and depth. For complex security audits or architectural trade-off analysis, the high thinking setting allows the model to perform deeper internal reasoning before outputting its final structured report, ensuring maximum precision in the output. Gemini 3.1 Pro is the definitive choice for developers who need to process massive amounts of data without the overhead of RAG. Its native multimodality and expanded output window make it a powerhouse for code refactoring and complex agentic workflows. It is the most capable model currently available via API for those building on the edge of the frontier. The future of AI is not just about bigger models, it is about bigger context and better reasoning. If you are ready to upgrade your stack with Gemini 3.1, hit that subscribe button and dive into our deep dive guides. Stay ahead of the curve and master the new AI frameworks. Find the full documentation and more at effloow.com.